Hello, Crypto Jackie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about the price of Bitcoin. Together we will try to predict where Bitcoin is going to go in the mid run and also in a long run. I will try to tell you why, in my view, you should definitely take a look at the longer, higher time frames. These should tell you the most. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive straight into the Bitcoin chart. And let's start with monthly time frame. I've been telling you guys that we had a bearish cross right over there, which is a bad sign, to be honest, for all the Bitcoiners. So as you can see, we've got a bearish cross over there, and the last time it happened was right over here. So it was 1st of May 2018, right? And we were going down since then quite a lot. It was over a year when we eventually reversed the trend. And now the question is it possible that the same will happen this time to Bitcoin as well? That's a really good question and a really powerful one. To be honest, everybody would like to know the answer to this, but I will try to present my view, my opinion, my analysis. So yeah, as you can see, these are EMA ribbons, and EMA ribbons are basically telling us what is the trend, right? So if they are going to the upside, it means that we are trending to the upside, and we are in a bull run mode in a monthly time frame, right? Because we are analyzing monthly time frame right now. So let's take a look on what is happening right now to Bitcoin. So as you can see, we've been in this bull run mode for quite a while, to be honest, and now eventually we touched like the top EMA ribbon, and we are now retesting the upper band of the EMA ribbon, and if we fail to do so, we can expect the price to go to the downside. So let me quickly draw it to you. So as you can see, we've been going to the upside. Now we are kind of stabilizing. We are in an accumulation zone. Some also can say like this, but eventually we are retesting the upper EMA ribbon band, and if we fail to do so, we can expect the price to go to the downside. But if not, then we can do a perfect retest of the upper EMA ribbon. So let's take a look what the implications might be when we compare it to what happened previously. So let's now take a look at what happened here, for instance. Right? So we had pretty much same scenario, right? We've been in a bull run mode, but then we touched the upper EMA ribbon and we perfectly recovered to then go to the downside again. Yeah, into even more. We had a retest. We even had like this week to the downside. But it was really quickly bought by the bulls. So it reversed the trend, and then we had a very, very powerful run. So what can happen this time? We can expect price to go lower to like lower EMA ribbon, which can be like the worst case scenario, would be around 22k, maybe 20k. So this is, for me, the worst case scenario, taking into account how much has already happened in the world and how much unexpected events we survived already, right? So in my opinion, there is not that much more when it comes to the downside. Yeah, but still, we can expect the price to go lower. And 20K is very realistic scenario. Yeah, but guys, keep in mind that nobody will tell you what will happen, right? Because we can also go to the upside. We are kind of in like decisioning mode, but why I would say that it's more probable to retest lower prices is that we had this bearish cross over there on a MACD, and we are not like reversing that. As you can see, we are going down, and there is no sign of bottoming out on a MACD, right? If there was a sign of some kind of a rounding of this one of those lines, there I could tell you that probably we are going to finally reverse the trend. But as for now, it is not happening. We are just going straight down. So we can expect the price to go further down. That's basically the truth, right? Yeah, so now let's take a look at lower time frame. So let's take a look at 1 weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I don't know. I would say that the previous time frame was like more reliable source of information, and it's always like this with time frames. The higher the time frames, the higher confidence you can have in it. But nevertheless, let's take a look on what is happening here with the Bitcoin price. We've been kind of in accumulation zone. We had a breakout over there from this wedge. We hit my price target of 46.8k like perfectly, but then unfortunately we got rejected at this point, and since then we've been going to the downside. Now I guess that we are going to retest this green line, we didn't do it yet, but I want to say that it is probable that we are going to retest the line. So let me quickly show it to you. So we are going to have a retest, and we can have a breakthrough over there, retest this green line, and finally go to the upside. But also we can go to the downside, right? Because this can be our resistance. Yeah, now. What's more probable? We are pretty low when it comes to the price. As you can see here, EMA ribbons are higher than the price. So it's pretty rare for Bitcoin to trend below EMA ribbons for such a long time. When you take a look at the history, here we've been trending, but let's say between those lower bands in EMA ribbons. Let's take a look what happened here. Yeah, we had something like this, yeah, for a while here. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, so we've been trending below EMA ribbons for, let's take a look here. It's 18th of November, yeah, and here we've got 6th of January, right? So, yeah, for almost 2 to 3, up to 3 months. Yeah, but not longer, yes? So I would tell you guys with pretty much strong probability that that can be it, right? Because we are below the EMA ribbons for quite a while, right? Because it's 3rd of January. Now we are at 2nd of May. So we are below the EMA ribbons. We've been below EMA ribbons for around 5 months, which is a lot. So let's wait a bit more. Let's observe what is happening in the world. Let's calculate. Do not jump at the position without doing your own due diligence. I would not give you any financial advice, but as you can see, the price has not made a final decision yet where to go. So yeah, we can go a bit lower, and then it will be a fantastic occasion to buy some more. But if not, so yeah, if you're already in the position, yeah, so then it's fine. You can expect the price to go higher and yeah, and make some profits out of your trade. So yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't have like a very strong opinion where the Bitcoin will go, but as you can see, we've been below the EMA ribbons for quite a while. Monthly time frame is telling us that we are still going to the downside. So yeah, it might be a matter of time. It can be a matter of time when the Bitcoin will finally reverse the trend, because yeah, the burst seems to be more and more exhausted day by day. So yeah, that's the thing, I guess. Yeah, I think this is it in this episode. If you enjoyed it, please smash up the like button. You can always subscribe to my channel, and then you will be up to date with every new video I will drop on this channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.